Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of each new video as they come out. Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. And today I'm just going to show you a quick installation of some door armor from Armor Concepts. They're a company that specializes in making your home a little bit more difficult to break into. And that is something that we've been talking about here on the channel for a while. And so we're back here on my back deck. This is an area of the house where we're remodeling it and tearing it apart and putting in new drywall and new windows and all that kind of jazz. And so it's kind of a mess. But here's the first plate. And I went ahead and put the first plate on. I just wanted to make sure it was going to fit because this is kind of a non-traditional door, but it does fit. And I just put one screw in here, and all I had to do was I had to remove some weather stripping that the doofus owner put on there that really didn't need to be there, and then I had to remove the two little brass plates over here at the end of the door. And you probably could have left those on. It doesn't really make any difference, but I went ahead and removed mine. And all you got to do now is just take a few screws. They're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And I'm going to put those in there. And then we've got the hinge shield pieces. We'll put those on. And then we have the side for the door, and so we'll do that too, as long as it fits. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started here. My bit broke. I have to go get another one. All right, we're back in business. All right, that piece is in. That's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and do the hinge parts, I guess. So what you do is you pull out the two center screws in the hinge, and you replace them with these big dogs here. 4 of them. 3 and 4. So essentially what this does is it sits right around the hinge, just like that, and essentially reinforces it. Gotta change my bit. Phillips head won't work in a square head very well. Okay, you gotta make sure that other screw hole will line up okay. That's the only challenge on that. These are about 4-inch screws, so they're really reaching in there, getting into the studs. Boom. There's that. Okay, so I ended up getting that other one in. I didn't have to drill it, I just had to push another one down in there. But I did break another head off of the bit. So, whatever. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put these on the side of the door here. And I think these will go right over the top of the other ones without any issues. Now this is a steel door, so I don't know if I'm going to need to drill it or not. The manufacturer does recommend pre-drilling all these things. I'm just lazy, I guess. I don't know. Probably not going to be able to get this one without drilling it. We'll see. Pretty much no chance. Alright, let me get a drill bit. Okay, we're back from the barn. Third trip to the barn, might I add. I'm going to drill these. Center it up. Handy dandy Fisher space pen. Writes on anything. Go together. No, please. All right. That's it. Okay. Yep. Okay, now that's done. See if it'll close. Like a glove. And that's solid too. I'm going to throw in some footage showing tests of trying to beat these doors in, and you guys will see just how impressive these things are. Fairly easy, dove landed, fairly easy to install, doesn't take long at all, and it doesn't really cost that much. You guys can take a look at the website. I'll put the link down in the description below to get there. That's my affiliate link with the company. And you know, if you guys need to harden up your homes, then I think this is a great way, you know, to potentially do that, to make it a little bit more difficult to get into, so that it's not just, you know, the easy smash and grab, that kind of thing.
Pretty obvious right now that the battering ram's not going to take this door out that easy. So I think what we're going to do is put another person on the battering ram so we could throw a lot more force into the door and see what happens. We broke the battering ram. We broke the battering ram. Let's try one other thing. We broke the battering ram. Let's try a sledgehammer, see what happens. Oh, I can't even believe this. This blows me away. As far as home protection, I don't think you get anything better than this. This is unbelievable.
So the instructions overall were very clear and easy to read. They were printed out, nicely, and I would say that, minus the 3 trips to the barn to get parts when I broke the little heads off, and they did that because I didn't pre-drill them. It's my bad. The whole installation was less than 30 minutes. I mean, it really wasn't hard at all. And there's also a part called the pry shield that you can put on the exterior part that has some security style screws. Let me see if you guys can see this, so they can't be backed out. They can only be tightened in, basically, is the kind of screw that it is. And but this door, the way that it is made, because the guy put a big goofy block right here, then I can't really fit it on that one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another set of these and put it up on my barn, because just to reinforce the door jamb up there, because I got a lot of stuff up there as well. So this is a really awesome way, I think, to make your home a little bit more of a hard target, a little bit harder to get into. As you'll see in this footage, man, it makes these doors very difficult to get through. So I think it's a worthwhile investment. But anyway, guys, I definitely always appreciate it when you use the affiliate links in the description below. That really helps me out a lot. It gives me a few percent, of the purchase, and it doesn't cost you anything more. So that helps us to keep the channel free, so we don't have to do a Patreon or anything like that. And we really appreciate your support. So also, we always appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button and share it on Google Plus and Facebook and Twitter and all that kind of thing. That really helps as well. So don't forget to live the 6 P's. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.